In this video, a demo of movie booking application is seen. It involves two actors, admin and user. The functionalities in the admin side are adding movie, theater and assigning the movie to theaters and delete operations. From the user perspective, they can book the tickets based on the availability of shows. This application is built using React for the front end and Springboot in the back end. And the database aspect, MySQL is being used. The use case diagram are as follows, and the development tools used are VS Code and Spring Toolsuite. Now moving on to the application. First, from the admin perspective, when I log in, this is the home page of the admin, and one can register the movie. When I click submit, a notification remarks that register movie is successfully done. Once the page refreshes, now you can move to the movies tab and see here that movie that we have added is being retrieved. You can also view the movies in this option also. Next, registering data. So register, give location as anything. I click submit. I get a notification that register data is successfully done. Now I can view the theaters also here. I can see the theater is being added. Now we are going to assign the movies to the theaters. I click this option, the list of theaters are here, and here the select option is being done. Now I will select the newly added theater, and here I will select the date. It's 13, and then provide. If I provide the submit button without giving any of the input values, then you will get the error as invalid or no input being provided. Provide. And the other important functionality is that the value of the price and seat should always be positive, else you will get an error with respect to that also. For example, if I give here -10 and if I try to submit, I'll get invalid for the show 4 and all others are successfully updated. So these are all the functionalities from the admin perspective. Now when I come to the user side of the application, if I try to sign in now, if I'm giving the data which is not in the DB itself, China's new, and if I try to sign in, it shows as invalid credential. First one need to sign up. Now I sign up as user 3. Provide a password. If I provide a weak password, it doesn't take the value because we need the password in 6 characters, one in uppercase and lowercase must also be included and numbers also must be included. So I provide a password as per the requirement. I sign up. Now I sign in with that. Now when I sign in, and select the date, I can see all the movies that are being listed according to the query we have provided in the backend. Now I select the movie as Super Mario, and then we can see all the list of theaters which has that movie assigned to their theater. And now when I select the theater, I can see the shows that are being allotted for that particular movie. Now I can select that show, which show we needed. and then I can see the seat left, because already we gave a seat total number of seats is 50, but here is 48 because the booking has been made for 2 seats already. So our seats left count will also reduce accordingly. And if I try to provide the seats more than this value and click confirm booking, then we will get an alert that it should be less than number of seats available. So now I will provide as 4 and click confirm booking. The booking will be there. Now I can go to my bookings and check if the booking is made. Here I can retrieve the data that the booking is made. Now when I go to the admin side and check in the bookings, I can see that the bookings made is being visible for the admin side also. These are all the functionalities that are being used, and here the toggle icon is also being used as an additional feature. And then the VS Code is as follows, that is, I kept the one for the admin side and the other is for the user side. We have two ports that are hosting the front end part, and then our backend is being used in the Springboot. All the test cases, loggers, features are being added in the scope. And then for the database aspect, MySQL is being used. This is the overall view of how the movie booking application works.